Now, let's uncover the mystery of AI together. Imagine a big pool of knowledge, like an ocean of information that we can access whenever we want. That's what AI offers us. Have you ever wondered why we are seeing an increase in mental health issues despite all the amazing advancement in technology? Shouldn't the technology make our lives better? These questions make us think about the impact of technology on our daily lives. Right? But here is the thing. If we are not careful, technology can overshadow our own abilities and even deceive us. So it's fascinating how technology can blur the line between what's real and what's not. It raises a question. Even without sight and hearing, we can still be human. But without the power of thought, what are we left with? It's a question worth thinking about. There is something really profound and irreplaceable at the core of our humanity. Let me share a fascinating experience I had while using ChatGPT. So do you realize that we were always engaging in conversations with our own mind? But now it's more obvious that when we type commands and witness the responses from AI, unfortunately, we were never taught how to use the right prompts with our mind. Most of the time, we ask the wrong questions, and our minds create virtual realities to support them. You don't believe me? So now let's try an exercise. The good thing is, AI presents a remarkable opportunity to liberate ourselves from repetitive daily tasks, enabling us to focus on personal growth and elevate our human consciousness to profound depth. With awareness, we can reassess the relationship with our mind. Through proper training, we can utilize our minds more efficiently